Hey, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. I put together this video to show the public what shops have to deal with sometimes, especially with new replacement parts. 1967 Nova, we replaced the left-hand quarter panel and this deck filler. Hey man, everything's going our way. We didn't damage any of the parts on the installation. Nice finish out. All we have is a minimum amount of filler to put in this area. Then it's to prime, and she's ready for pickup. Nice. Okay, these are the stock tail light housings. All right, we're just going to check the fitment, make sure the studs and the holes all line up. Sometimes they don't. That's minor. So let's check that new quarter panel. Almost done. Almost done. Kaboom. Yeah, those are stock tail light housings. So we know they're not wrong. So we'll let the straight edge tell the tale. Wow. I don't even know what to say about that. And then comparing both sides, the passenger was just a lower quarter panel installed, thankfully. And you can really see the difference in the curvature just throughout the whole quarter panel, the replacement panel. So I had to call the customer, and I didn't want to explain it over the phone. Just let him come down, and the issue's pretty obvious. So needless to say, with this new panel that he supplied, well, we had to remove it, and then we went with a different manufacturer. Well, who manufactured this quarter panel? GM Restoration Parts. Had a lot of trouble with them before. Hey, as always, thanks for watching.